Hello guys, welcome back to the One Auto channel. My name's Rob, back in the garage today. Absolute nuggets in here today, as you can see. So I might have to put my little fan heater on in a bit. We're here with another Vauxhall Corsa. This one is a 2013 Corsa D. It's here with me today because the heater blower fan isn't working. Let's go and check it out. Right, as you can see, the customer hasn't had a blower fan for quite a while, so they've got this little gizmo set up on the screen, plugs into the cigarette lighter. Don't blame them. Let's get the ignition on. There we go, ignition is on. Heater blower already on number 4. Nothing. Give it a kick under there where it is. Can't hear a thing. So let's get this undercover off and take it from there. Okay, cover off, 20 Torx screw just here. Whip that bad boy out. Like that. And then here, there's like a plastic clip thing you push in, like that. Get the cover out the way. Right, now you've got to move this air ducting out the way. There is a little retainer clip just there we've got to get out, so I need a tool just to pull that out. Already got some signs here, a bit of corrosion there on that screw on the motor. Right, trim clip tool, do that, pop it out. There you go, it's just one of them type of clips. Shove that down there. This pipe should wiggle out now. There we go. Right, put the ignition back on. There we go. Let's give it a bit of a whacking. Can't hear anything there. There's the wire in there. We'll unclip it from that hook. Let's unplug it and push that little bit in the side. Wiggle it out. Come on, there you come. There you go. Okay. What signs we got there? Might have been a little bit warm. Resistor on there, on these is just there. Can't see any melted wires as such at the moment. So what I'll do first of all is I'm going to put a bulb, headlight bulb. I'm going to rig that up into these two connections here to see if the circuit will take current, and we'll test it. It's just a case of if the bulb will light up, then it's a straightforward motor change. The resistor's working. Let's give that a go first of all. Right, just grabbed a headlight bulb, just a H7 headlight bulb, just rigged it up with some wires from the Hobby Tools test lead kit. That's going to pull about 4 amps, I guess. I can check that in a minute actually. So we'll get this plugged in. The ignition is still on, so let's just get these. Doesn't matter which way around you put them in. You can do this with a test light with a normal bulb in it, but you know they don't pull much current, those things. So I like to use a good old headlight. So let's just see. We'll put this is off at the minute. Let's put it on speed 1. There we go, we're just glowing. 2, 3, and 4 is even brighter. That is bright. That is as bright as it should be. So that's just a quick and dirty test, just to tell me that the resistor is okay, and there's no need to change that. So it's just a case of swapping this fan motor out. Happy days. Right, is it a 5.5? Yeah, 5.5 screw. That's that, and out it comes. Right, we've got a new one. This is a Denso unit, so a good make, and that's the part number there on Euros at the top if you want to see that, and there's your part number there if you want to get yourself one as well. So let's get this bad boy open. Just make sure we are all the same. Unboxing video. What do we get in it? Ooh, instructions. Packaging. There we have it. That's a lot freer than that one. I don't know. Anyway, I'll just connect this up on the car first of all before I put it all up, just to make sure it works. Right, That's it, plugged in. Let's grab here. There we go. 1, 2, 3, go! Yeah, no issues with that. Right. Bolts back in and we're done. Quick little gravy job. Right, just for my curiosity and the interest of YouTube, I've literally connected some test leads between the actual plug of the car. They loop round and they go back into the motor, so we're making a circuit. And I've got my amp clamp on down here. Let's get a bit of lightage on the situation. All right, so we're off at the minute. Let's just reset that back to 0 and turn it on. So speed 1, we've got 2.5 amps. Speed 2, 6.3. Speed 3, 9.5. Speed 4, at 14.8 amps. 14.8. Yep, happy days. Pleased with that? There we go then, guys. That was a quick and dirty diagnosis. I have to say, that's what I like to do. Get a headlight bulb, put it in the plug, turn it on. If it lights up all the way through the stages, then happy days. It's going to be your motor. Change the motor out, boom, we got it. You can get other problems with these. You can only get them working on speed 4. If that's the case, it's normally a resistor. You can have them where they're like this, not working all together, and you often find some burnt wiring at the resistor. You can change that out. So anyway, hope the video was of use to you. If it was, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, ring that bell notification so you get notifications when I upload a new video. And I'll probably leave some links in the description to some of the kit that I used here. And don't forget, you can connect to me on Twitter and the Instagrammage. Cheers, guys.